Hello, kids! Welcome to our English class. This is Teacher Jaire, an English teacher from the Honors Tutorial Center. Are you ready to learn English? Alright, let's begin. So, for today, we are going to talk about possessive pronouns, okay? But before that, let us define again what is the meaning of pronoun. Can you still remember the meaning of pronoun? What is it? Alright, very good. So when we say pronoun, these are the words that is used to replace the noun in the sentence. Good job. So our topic is related to the pronoun, which is possessive pronoun. So what is possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun names a person or thing that has something. Or in other words, possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to express ownership or possession from the word itself. Take note that unlike a possessive noun, a possessive pronoun doesn't contain an apostrophe. Okay? In addition, some possessive pronouns appear before a noun and replace the name of the person or thing that has something. But other possessive pronouns can stand alone in the sentence. For example, so for the possessive pronoun that is used before the noun, you may use my, your, his, here, our, and their. Okay? So if it is singular, you may use my, your, his, and her. If it's plural, you can use our and their. Okay? For example, our school. So the possessive pronoun here is our. Okay? Which shows ownership of the school. Next, my new kitten. Okay? So we use a possessive pronoun my, okay, which refers to the new kitten. And last one is his old track. So the possessive pronoun in this example is his. Do you understand? Alright, can you give me your own example of a sentence with possessive pronoun that is used before a noun? Alright, very good. Good job. So next, just like what I said, there's also possessive pronouns that is used, okay, which can stand alone. So the examples are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. So in this possessive pronoun, we don't need another noun, okay, in order to show ownership or possession because it can stand alone. For example, the notebook is mine. So the possessive pronoun in the sentence is mine. Okay? Is that one yours? No, it is hers. So in the sentence, the possessive pronouns used are yours and hers. So we use these pronouns that can stand alone in order to avoid the repetition in the sentences. Okay? Do you understand? Alright, but in addition to that, don't be confused with the possessive pronoun its with the contraction its, okay? So the contraction is like its, okay? But the original word that it is. We remove the letter I and then we replace it with an apostrophe in order to make it in a shortened form, okay? Like for example, its colors had faded. So this is an example of a possessive pronoun. So we have the possessive pronoun its, okay? And then we have the noun that it indicates, which is colors. But in the second example, it's beginning to fade. It is beginning to fade. So this is not a possessive pronoun. Okay, so therefore we need an apostrophe here because this word its is a contraction. Do you get it? Alright, very good. So since you already understand our discussion, so let's try to answer this activity. Are you ready? Alright, so you're going to write or tell me the correct word from the parentheses in each sentence. You're going to choose the correct possessive pronouns, okay, based on the sentence. Do you get it? Alright, let's start. So number one, please see if your painting is dry. Okay, so what is the pronoun that you're going to use? Your with apostrophe or your, Y-O-U-R. What's your answer? Okay, very good. The correct answer is your, okay? Because this sentence indicates a possession, okay? Your painting. Next, number two. It's too it's too early to go to the show. So what do you think is the correct answer? Is it it's with contraction or with an apostrophe or the another it's? What's your answer? Okay, very good. So in this example, we are going to use this pronoun that has a contraction. It is too early to go to the show. We cannot use it's because it doesn't indicate any ownership or possession, okay? Do you follow? Alright, very good. Next, number three. Their latest record is selling well. So what do you think is the correct answer in the sentence? Is it there with a apostrophe or there? Okay, very good. The correct answer is there, Their, because this sentence shows or indicates possession. Their what? Their latest record. Okay, very good. Next, number four. I wonder if your brother will go with me. Okay, what do you think is the correct word for this? Is it your with an apostrophe or your with Y-O-U-R? What's your answer? Okay, very good. The correct answer is the possessive pronoun your, Y-O-U-R. Again, this sentence indicates possession. Your brother. Okay, so therefore, you need to use a possessive pronoun your. And last one, did the dog lose its color? Okay, so what do you think is the answer? Is it its with an apostrophe or it's the possessive pronoun? Okay, very good. The correct answer is it's, okay? It's color because this sentence indicates ownership or possession. Do you understand? All right, what's your score out of 5? Wow, that's a good score. So that's all for today's discussion, and I hope that you learned something about the possessive pronoun. So again, possessive noun contains an apostrophe, but possessive pronouns do not. So that's all for today's discussion. Goodbye and see you on our next video. Bye bye.